Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to ninth Standard Science class. Today, we are going to learn Unit 1 Measurement. After completing this session, you will be able to understand the fundamental and derived quantities and their units. Let's start the lesson with the definition of measurement. Measurement is defined as the determination of the size or magnitude of a quantity. Next topic is physical quantities. Physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. Physical quantities can be classified into two: fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. The units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Some of the fundamental quantities with its unit and symbol are given in the table. Next, derived quantities. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. The units which are used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. Some of the physical quantity and the expression and units are given in the table. Next topic is length. Length is the extent of something between 2 points. The SI unit of length is meter. To measure the very large distance of astronomical objects, we use the following units. They are astronomical unit, light year and parsec. The mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth is known as astronomical unit. 1 AU is equal to 1.496 in 10 power 11 meter. Light year and parsec. Light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum, and it's equal to 9.46 in 10 power 15 meter. Parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical objects outside the solar system. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. To measure very small distance, such as distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the nucleus and wavelength etc., we use sub-multiples of 10. These quantities are measured in angstrom unit. For example, Fermi 10 power minus 15 meter, angstrom 10 power minus 10 meter, nanometer 10 power minus 9 meter. Next topic is mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, that is denoted as kg. Next topic is atomic mass unit. The mass of proton, neutron and electron can be determined using atomic mass unit AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Next topic is time. Time is a measure of duration of events and intervals between them. The SI unit of time is second. Second is the brief moment in time, that is one count. 1 minute contains 60 seconds. Next, temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, is denoted as K. 1 Kelvin is the fraction of 1 bar to 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the table point of water. 0 Kelvin is commonly known as absolute zero. Unit prefixes are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. They are useful to express very large and very small quantities. K is the unit prefix in the unit kilometer. A unit prefix stands for a specific positive or negative power of 10. Let's recall today's class. Today we have learned some definitions from Unit 1. Let's see one by one. Measurement. The determination of the size or magnitude of a quantity is known as measurement. Fundamental quantities. The quantity which cannot be expressed by any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. Derived quantities. The quantity which can be expressed by any other quantity is known as derived quantity. Length. The distance between the 2 points is known as length. The SI unit of length is meter. Under the length, we learned about astronomical unit, light year, and parsec. Mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Time. Measurement of any events is known as time. The SI unit of time is second. Temperature. Hotness or coldness of a body is known as temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thank you, students.